Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm cooking chicken curry for you. It's Creole chicken. I have some oil in the pan heating up. I have some tomato paste, some turmeric, garam masala and curry powder for the chicken curry. I am mixing up all the seasoning and the masala, everything here to fry it up in the oil. I'll throw that in there. Today's shout out is going out to Dina for liking and comment on my video and subscribe.
Yay!
Now the chicken is going in.
And this is hard chicken, the Creole chicken, not Canadian chicken.
Friendly out 10 in Guyana. That's the one. Some seasoning in here. Seasoning. Around a spoon and a half. Guys, you see my knife point is broken because I've been digging stuff with it. Frozen stuff. Okay guys, I'm putting in around 1.5 really pepper stuff in the chicken. And I throw some cilantro, green onion, parsley, and celery inside there. Indian guys, look. Give it 5 minutes more and I put the water and potato in. You have to bunji well, otherwise the ranking is gonna left on the chicken. You don't want that. But it looks good already, look at that. The potato in there. Let's sit there for a little while and enjoy with the potato and the chicken, and then I'll put water. So now I'm going to put water in there.
Purchase your tracks today.
That's enough. Okay guys, this is the chicken finished cooking. I like it with a lot of gravy in this because we gotta eat it with rice. So this is perfect. Chicken curry. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of cooking. I'll see you next time.